Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add two video into a single container in a section in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and for creating a section we need to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen and it will ask us about the layout, whether we want flexbox or grid. So here I'm selecting grid, and in the structure we can select the first structure, that is of one row and two column, right? So here are the two column, the first one column and the second one column. We are going to add a container in the first column, and for adding a container widget you just need to click on the plus icon in the black header line on the top and simply search for container, and then simply drag and drop this container widget into the first column. Okay, we have successfully done that. Now you need to search for video widget, and for searching for video widget you need to again click on the plus icon in the black top head line and simply search for video. Okay, so we are simply going to drag and drop this video widget into the container of the first column. Okay, we have successfully done that. Now here in the left side toolbar it is asking us about the video link in the content settings, right? So here I'm going to copy paste my YouTube video links. I have successfully done that. Now we are going to add the another video in the same container, right? And for adding another video you again need to click on the add element icon present over the black header line on the top and search for video widget. Okay, now we can simply drag and drop this video widget into the container, and as you can see the pink line is reflecting where this video widget would be placed when we drop, right? So we are simply going to add a video, the second video downside the first video, so we are going to place it over here. Okay, and here in the left side toolbar again in the content setting in the video it is asking us about the video link. You can simply copy paste our YouTube video link over here. So this is how you can simply add multiple videos or two videos in a single container in a section in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.